announcement. Chazdei Hashem. Soon, Mitzvah Hashem. Mida keneged mida chelek Hey will be coming out. These are the 4 chalakim that previously came out. The first chelek came out about 17 years ago with 700 pages. And I thought I covered the whole topic. That's it, finished. 700 pages. Then a few years later, chelek Beis came out. Those 700 pages. I figured now, it's over. Shortly after, found more stuff, and chelek Gimel comes out a few years later with about 700 pages. So I figured after about 2,100 pages, that's it, we can move on. A few years later, chelek Dalet comes out with 1,200 pages. And now, in Mitzvah Hashem, the 5th volume is going to come out. It's by the final stages, by the typesetter, with more than 1,100 pages. So now I understand, I didn't even scratch the surface. And Chazal said, Sanhedrin Daf Tzadi, Kol midoisav shel HaKodesh Baruch Hu mida keneged mida. Everything Hashem does, not every so often, sometimes you see it. That's the way HaKodesh Baruch Hu conducts His world. Mida keneged mida, measure for measure. So if anyone wants to be involved, participate in helping this project come out, and 1,100 pages is a very big project and costly one. So if anyone wants to be involved, the Kavod Gadol, you can put a dedication, anonymously, whatever you want to do. And Hashem should be the to'eles. And there's a tremendous chashivus in helping Sfarim come out. In fact, the Pele Yoetz, in his Sefer Pele Yoetz, under the value called it Tfus, writes that there is no greater mitzvah to be involved in than helping a Sefer comes out. Why? He says any other mitzvah expires. You give an ani lunch, when he's done eating, that mitzvah is over. And any other mitzvah. This type of a mitzvah is an everlasting one. Even after we leave this place, the mitzvah stays. The shul, the Sfarim are somewhere in the world, in the shul, in somebody else's house, and people are learning from it. So you continue to gain benefit from this mitzvah, in Mitzvah Hashem, for many, many years to come. And this specific sefer is unique because the Ben Yehoyada, the Ben Ish Chai in Soita Daf Hei Amud Beis says, one who always tries to look for HaKadosh Baruch Hu and understand, well, what's the midah keneged midah? Why did this happen to this person? Why dafka here? He always looks for HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Measure for measure, he will be zocher to see HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Mitzvah Hashem, great salvation, Bekorov Be'avinu. So it's a great endeavor. Anyone who wants to be involved, Bekorov, Mitzvah Hashem is going to be out. It's by the last stages of the typesetting. So we have
Hebrew books?
These are Hebrew books. The series of Midah Keneged Midah includes Megillas Esther, which is in Hebrew and in English, 2 volumes each. It includes the Haggadah Shel Pesach, Hebrew and English. And right after this comes out, Mitzvah Hashem, Haggadah Shel Pesach Chelek Beis is in the making, and it's going to come out in Hebrew and in English, and includes also the Bencher, which is in Hebrew and in English as well.